This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
Hello, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer looking at a dangerously cold air mass now surging into West Michigan. We'll see wind chills as cold as 15 to 30 below zero, and this will take us right into at least the early part of the day tomorrow. So an extreme cold advisory, an extreme cold warning in effect across all of the lower peninsula through at least 11 o'clock Saturday morning. In addition to that, we've got some lakeshore areas with some significant lake effect snow banding that will continue. And because of the intensity of the cold air, it's that fine powdery snow and with strong winds, a lot of blowing and drifting, creating visibility issues, and also, of course, very, very icy pavement. The national snow and ice storm that we'll be tracking for you, that could impact southern lower Michigan with some locally heavy snowfall the further south you are during the day Sunday. So again, our relentless winter weather pattern continues. Those feels like readings 15 to 25 below zero today, tonight, and into at least the first half of the day tomorrow. By Saturday afternoon, the winds relax a touch, so our wind chills will be back into the single digits above to a little below zero, but those wind chills stay then below zero Saturday night into the day Sunday, and really won't see those wind chills back above zero consistently until at least sometime early next week. A future track with the snow, again with the northwesterly wind, those areas right along the lakeshore end up seeing the most significant snow, and in those lake effect belts, we will see many areas pick up at least 4 to perhaps 6 or 8 inches of fresh snow. That's between now and the middle of the day tomorrow. Then we turn our attention to the south with this developing winter storm system, which is going to have a huge portion of the country to our south under a significant ice and snow event. Here in West Michigan, at least that first batch of precipitation stays well to our south during the day tomorrow. But as we see a secondary wave of moisture developing and moving northward, if that system comes a little further to the north, we could see several inches of snow along the Michigan-Indiana state line over toward the Detroit area and points off to the south. This is actually a projection of the path and the intensity of the snow that extends from the southwest into Oklahoma, Texas, St. Louis, all the way up into the mid-Atlantic states and northeast. And here in West Michigan, we'll have the lake effect of snow. This is going to be the snow through that will be with us through midday tomorrow. And then the southern part of the state over toward Detroit, that's the snow impact that will be coming in on Sunday. And again, if that storm system shifts a little further to the north, we could see some heavier snows a little further to the north. So we'll be watching that for you over the weekend. By the way, we're stuck in the deep freeze as we head into next week. Temperatures moderate a little bit back into at least positive territory with highs in the teens and lows in the single figures. And of course, we'll be tracking it for you on air and online at fox17online.com.